welcome to
Cutting with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're scratching my account, KidDeco123, and this project that I upgraded, which is supposed to be called Rainbow Drawing, now is Rainbow Drawing 2.
So you can see the first video of the first version of Rainbow Drawing.
So I hope this doesn't paralyze me again like last time.
And the balls are bouncing and it's like...
It's dots. Please don't paralyze me. Just stop. Okay. Now let's see the upgrades. So in Erase, because in Rainbow Drawing, you can't erase.
So it's like basically a show.
Yeah.
So now here you can actually like erase, but you can't actually draw.
So it's just a dots drawing. So when I press erase, it will like cancel all the drawings.
Yeah, but the balls continually move, so
because in change styles.
Yeah, okay, so here it uses the pen from scratch.
Yeah. So the costume is just the button I got from the Scratch sprites, and this erase I just text. And when this sprite clicks, so when I click it, it'll erase all. That's why it's called erase.
So you can get the pen when you go here in the extensions and then
draw with your sprites.
Yeah. And then there'll be like special drawing blocks.
Yeah, that's how we made this erase. Then in change background, because in the first video we only had the stars background, so I added the moon, galaxy, and nebula. So all these
like a space theme.
Yeah, because I really think these are stars. So I added change background. So when you click it, it will change the backdrop or background. I usually call it. So when this sprite click, progress change background. And when I receive change background, it'll next backdrop.
So
an easier way is just like looks, then next backdrop.
So you don't need to go to the backdrop sprite.
Yeah, but you know, just messages. Then my last upgrade is the sound. So I made 2 new songs. So it's from the Scratch songs. So this one is Space, and I like the piano one.
So it's not like Space Theme,
but this one is Space Theme. Yeah. It's just called Space, but I feel like this is good with the...
Yeah, it's common.
And so when you press 1 on your keyboard, it will play the space music. So this one, this one. And when you press 2, it will play the sound piano, which I like piano more. So
first, let's play piano. Okay.
Change background. I like nebula because it really matches because there's a lot of color.
You can stop it to make of the final art at any time. Okay, you stop at the right time.
Which I don't think is right now.
Okay. Stop. Oh, that's good. There's lots of stripes. There's like a cage.
Yeah.
And this orange dot and the red dot look like the eyes, and then there's a monster swallowing.
And this is the ear.
Yeah.
And this is the body. So cool.
It's
okay,
so
your turn, Andrew.
Okay, let's see. First, I just get my background.
Play the space.
Okay, I think I'll just 2 stars, and I'm gonna erase the 3 stars. Okay. So the dots go random. Okay.
They just bounce off the walls. I just chose a random time. It's just if you're lucky.
Ooh, this is like, it's like it's flattening you, and the color is getting very big, and it turns from blue to pink.
It's like the sun is setting.
Yeah, it's the purple and the pink, and then to red. So it's like those tech things. Yeah.
It's like very. Put it into the museum, and people will be like, "Wow, cool!"
Final dot show.
Please don't paralyze me again. Okay, I guess it did.
Okay, well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.